Hey everybody, we have this monster of a PC. There's my setup right there, you can see it. We have this monster that actually tilts up like this. I got it for free. He showed me that it turned on and I took it. Today we're gonna see if we can turn this $0 into any money at all. So I have this Easy Pawn pulled up on my phone. We're gonna give them a call and see what they say. If not, we're gonna list it on OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist and all that kind of stuff and see what kind of offers we get. So here we go.
Thank you for calling Easy Pawn. We have all the cars you want. My name is. How can I help you?
Hi, I have this HP like monitor here. I was just wondering if you guys buy that kind of stuff.
So what?
It's a HP monitor.
Oh, HP monitor. As long as the newer model, we do second hand, meaning those flat screen, not those thick LCD.
Alright, thank you so much. Okay, so they actually do not buy the older one, so that sucks. So that's okay though. We're going to try something else. We're going to list it on OfferUp and we're going to see what kind of offers we get. So let's just take some pictures of the monitor real quick and then we will get right into it. We are just going to take these four and post it on OfferUp, Craigslist, all this kind of good stuff. Let's just say HP monitor. I don't know. Does not have cords. Its condition, I'd say it's used. Let's put desktop. I don't know, I guess. The model is a HP W2207. The brand is HP, of course. Processor type, I don't even know, to be honest. We're gonna put it at $10. Shipping is not available. That's okay. Okay. I mean, I guess I just won't ship it. Okay, we have that posted on OfferUp. Let's see if we can get something posted on Facebook Marketplace. Alright, so we've had a couple bites. None of them really seemed like too interested. So we've had a couple people bite on the HP monitor. Not a lot of people. I had some dude offer me $6, but I don't know, I kind of just want to wait to see if we can get more. If not, well, then I'm going to go through and take the $6. And yeah, then we're going to be turning the $0 into $6. So it honestly just proves that this $0 is going to be turned into $6. So you're here to buy the HP, right? Dollar bills, y'all. So the guy actually got a little bit salty at me. He told me that he didn't want me filming him, and I was like, this is for a YouTube video and all this kind of good stuff. And he was still like, I don't feel comfortable with you filming me. I was like, okay, whatever, it's okay. So I did get the little clip of me just walking out where I was trying to film, but then he told me to stop, so that's okay. We ended up selling it for $2, $4, $6, $7, so 70% of what I wanted, which, I mean, we did get it for free, so that means we technically made a big profit. We made $7 profit. This just proves that you can make money from nothing. This will probably be like a little series that I'm gonna do. Probably gonna turn this $7 into something. I honestly don't know. I'm probably gonna try to buy something and then trade my way up, just because that seems to be like the thing right now. So we're gonna see what we can do with this $7, and hopefully we'll be able to bring a dope video for you guys. Here we go. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you did like today's video, please make sure to like and subscribe. If you guys don't know, only about 5% of you are actually subscribed to watch my videos. So if you aren't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If not, well, I'll see you again because most of you come back. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, adios homies.